Would you buy this launderette business for £187,000? I recently saw this launderette in Southampton listed for sale on a broker site, and some of the numbers make for interesting reading. It is a 60-year-old business on a high street and is entirely run by the owner. The asking price includes the freehold property, which is the shop front from which the launderette operates. The broker lists annual turnover as £43,000 and the net profit as £30,000. The owner is retiring and asking for £187,000. But can you see what I see? Would you buy this business or would you pass? Let me know in the comments below. Are you a business owner and you want to grow via acquisition? Then you need to be part of my mastermind program, where we hold your hand all the way through the entire process to make sure that your first acquisition is a resounding success. I put some information in the video description below. The profit margin in this business is excellent, although at the current level of turnover is just not enough to support a wage for someone to take the place of the owner-operator. Although a self-service business, it does require a member of staff. There are opportunities to increase the revenue, but this would require bringing on a member of staff before increasing the value. And I would not buy this business, but I can see there are opportunities to increase turnover, so this business could become self-managing. But what do you see? Would you buy this business? Let me know in the comments below.